In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Store not working. This is a common issue on Android, and the good news is that it's usually quick to resolve. We'll walk through proven fixes in order. Try each one, then check the Play Store. If it starts working, you can stop there. Start with the simplest fix. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button and choose Restart. This clears temporary glitches in the system and often brings the Play Store back to life immediately. Next, make sure your internet connection is solid. Confirm that Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on and actually working. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data and vice versa. Open a website in your browser to ensure pages load. If the web doesn't work, the Play Store won't either. One of the most effective fixes is clearing the Play Store's cache and data. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store. Tap Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your installed apps or purchases, but it may sign you out and reset the Play Store's settings. Now do the same for Google Play services. Corrupted data is a common cause of Play Store errors, and this step refreshes both components. If it's still misbehaving, force stop the Play Store. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, and tap Force Stop. Then open it again so it can start clean. Make sure your device's date and time are correct. Go to Settings, System, Date and Time, and enable Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone. If your clock is off, Google's servers may refuse connections. If you're still stuck, remove and re-add your Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, remove the account, restart your phone, then add the account back. This refreshes your authentication and fixes token-related issues. Another helpful step is uninstalling Play Store updates. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, tap the three dots, and choose Uninstall Updates. Reopen the Play Store and let it update itself to a fresh copy. Update your phone software next. In Settings, go to System, Software Update, and install any available updates. System bugs can affect the Play Store. Also, check your storage. Ensure you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes free, and delete unused apps or large files if needed. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily. Some VPNs block or slow Google services. Still not working? Boot into safe mode to see if another app is interfering. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up your data.